This is Alva's family vlog, and I'm about to interview Mum for my homework project. Can I take notes on my tablet?
Of course, Alva.
Thanks. Question 1. When you were... Oh, it's a notification. It's from the new game I got. Wardrobe Mix-Up 2.
How about you check it later?
Yes, it can wait. Okay, question 1. More notifications?
Alva.
Oh, I should check it. But the interview... Oh...
How about I get us some drinks while you figure this out?
I'll never get this interview. But what if I miss something? Oh, what do I do? Ooh. Mo, go, Gizmo! Garth, are you getting ready for something?
Hello, Alva. Hello, Mo. Yes, you caught me at a very busy moment.
Oh, is it something important?
Important, I'll say. It's a Gizmo mayoral duty that must be done once a year. Right, time to get started. Oh, I wonder what that was. I'll check. It looks like someone threw this at my window. Who would do that?
Mayor Garth's yearly task is off to a distracting start.
Come on, Humble Bluff. We've got to get back to troll him. Snarkfest is almost started. You've been planning your insults all week.
I know. I'm going to win the prize for Best Insult. I might even meet Putrid McSkull. I'll catch up. No harm in having fun first, right?
Oh, it's a bouncy one. Almost got away from me there, you scamp. Catch!
Got it. Back to you.
Oh, I'm it. No, wait. Sorry, Alva. I can't play right now. That very important job awaits, remember?
Oh, yes. You should concentrate on whatever it is you need to do.
Concentrate? Let's see. What else can I distract him with? Aha! And you wiggle like this. I'm sure Mayor Garth would love to see this dance. He does love a good Blubbo dance.
Oh, look at me, out here playing bouncy bouncy ball when I should be in there getting my job done. Oh, what's this? Nice dance.
Wiggle like this.
Oh, what? 2 of them?
Huh? Mo, it's a dance! Mayor Garth, they're dancing for you.
Oh.
Uli hi!
Hi, Uli Pom, Uli Bean.
Woo!
Come on, Mo, dance with us.
I don't dance, Alva. Besides, doesn't the mayor...
You can do it. Just wiggle and shake. Do whatever feels good.
I really shouldn't. Remember, the mayor has...
Woohoo!
As I was saying, Alva...
They've all forgotten about Mayor Garth's job, except for that Mo.
Alva, about the mayor?
Oh, yes! The mayor's important job.
It needs to be done today.
He'll be so cross with himself if he doesn't do it. Whatever it is.
You're right.
We need to clear out those blobbos. Let's do this together.